writing, blogging, video making, YouTubing, they all seem like they'd be a perfect fit for a cruising life. And the current array of YouTubers who are making a go of it sure make it look like it can work for others. And I will say that, yes, storytelling, whatever medium you choose, could fit very nicely into your life afloat. It's highly portable profession. It can fit the pace of cruising. If things go well, you should have lots of spare time that you could fill enjoyably by being creative. You're going to have lots of new ideas as you get out cruising, ideas that other people might be very interested in. And the nice thing is the equipment you need to write or to do videos is amazingly affordable.